So you know how to get your referral link from the present icon and copying it here. When you paste that anywhere, the link will point to our homepage and show the discount of 50% for that new user. What if you want to point them to another page? Maybe you want to point them towards the training or resources page. Well, in order to do that, all you need to do is grab the ending when you've gone to your referral link and it's redirected you to the Planoly homepage. Grab all of this piece on that right-hand side. If I copy that part and I go to the page that I would like to use and refer people to, so here in this case, it's the resources page, and then I'm going to, after the / add my referral link. So you can start to see, if we look at this, it's the planoly.com /resources / with the question mark product ID and the whole rest of that link. If I hit enter now, you'll see that it also pops up with this. And therefore, when somebody signs up, when they go to the app or when they hit the join free button and they log in here, they will then get tagged and you will get paid. So now that I've clicked on this link, and if I go back to my account, I'll see that there's a little dot showing me that somebody else has looked at my link. And if I click on the rewards tab now, I can see that 20 people have seen my link and I've got one person to sign up with the free account and it's paying me $1. And the rest of them will convert to $1,000 as they start to get their own Planoly subscription. It's as easy as that. Go to the page, make sure that you have the product ID, product ID, and use that link in your communication and it will direct somebody to another page, not just the home page. You can also use this link to create QR codes using different tools, and simply by saying I want to create a QR code with this specific link and then design the QR code, you can use that in lots of other ways as well. Really, really cool, really simple way to get people to take a look at Planoly and to sign up for the free account so that you can get paid the dollar, and also the conversion. When they start to pay any plan, you'll get up to $1,000 of that as that comes in as commission. We really thank you for being part of the community and sharing good things about Planoly and helping others to become more efficient in their BIM and information management journeys. Thank you so much. Let us know what we can do for you.